I'm here again, Glitch Divine. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching us on how to use LearnLink, right? LearnLink is an AI-powered application that allows you to create quizzes from a PDF, summarize your PDFs for you, allows you to create shelves, and then have list of book libraries, right? So the first thing you have to do is to make sure that you have an account with LearnLink, right? I have an account with LearnLink right now, and so when you're done creating an account, the next thing you have to do is to make sure that you click on create a shelf, right? So this particular way you're trying to arrange your folders. So if you have a math shelf, you know that this particular shelf is basically for math. But for this example, we are going to create a shelf for, let's say, Java. No, let's say CV. Yeah. So this particular shelf is for CV, and then you press enter, right? So now I've created a shelf called CV, and then the next thing you want to do is to add your PDF, right? Add the PDF. Let me add my CV as a PDF. Yep. So now I've added my CV as a PDF. You can add as any PDF you want to add, right? You can add a textbook, you can add your course outline, whatever you want to add. So the point is that LearnLink is going to be, helping you to summarize the book, where to focus on, and then create quizzes for you. So now you can, when I'm done adding my CV, right? Yeah, so this is my CV right now on this particular screen. So for the premium users, you are going to decide how you want to do it. So you can decide to, scrape a part of the CV. For instance, now I can scrape this professional summary and then tell LearnLink to summarize it for me, right? So LearnLink can it's trying to process the request. Yeah, so it's analyzing the summary for me and then it's going to tell me what it looks like. So I just, like you can see, so it looks like I'm working on a professional summary for blah blah blah. You get, so that's the point. So you can chat with it, how to improve it. You can tell it improve this summary, right? And then you can send. So this is what it gets for me, right? So this is one of the way you can also use LearnLink to become better as a student, right? Another way you can actually use LearnLink again is to create quizzes. Now I have the CV right now. LearnLink already knows everything that is on this particular PDF. I can tell it I want it to create a quiz for me. If I'm preparing for exams, you can upload your PDF, your notes, and then tell LearnLink to create a quiz based on that note, right? I can tell it to create 10 questions, what model I want, whatever. But let's leave it as neutral, and then you can start a quiz, right? So the funny thing is that this quiz is basically they're all coming from the PDF, nothing outside the PDF, right? So you say, what the primary role of campus ambassador as demonstrated by Glitch Divine, right? Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.